When you get arrested for DWI in the state of Texas and you come into my office, we're going to cover with you how we go about defending these. First, we have to look at the validity of the stop. Did they have a valid reason to contact you? Did they have a valid reason to pull you over? Okay. From there, we have to look, do they have a legal basis to get you out of the car? If someone is pulled over for a defective tail light and an officer only smells alcohol on their breath without anything else, they would not have a legal basis to get you out of the car because it's not illegal to consume alcohol and then drive. When it comes to getting you out of the car, we're going to look at how you're walking, talking, and responding to the officer. In the Student Field Sobriety Test Manual, where all officers are trained from, there are clues or potential signs of intoxication that they look for on how you exit the car and how you walk to the rear of the car. We are paying attention to that with detail to see, are any of those signs present, or is your exit from the car perfectly normal? When you get to the rear of the car, we're looking at how you're responding to the officer in that short period of time when they are talking to you about what's about to happen with the field sobriety test. Specifically with the field sobriety test, we are going to cover with the officer what the instructions are for each test and what the clues are for each test. Each clue has a definition. Does the officer know the definition or not? Police officers have a tremendous amount of training, and just because they go through their training doesn't mean they're going to remember it. It's kind of like when you're in high school and a teacher comes and says, we're going to have a pop quiz on what we're studying, and you're sitting there and you're upset because you didn't review the information that you've been trained on. All sorts of people fail pop quizzes. Same thing happens with officers. They start doing their job, they don't refresh their memory with how to do things, and then they can start to deviate from the standard of how to conduct, administer, and grade field sobriety tests, and can come up with clues that they are holding against you when it's not validated. If you have any questions about your DWI case, give our office a call and we'll help you out any way we can.